Some word game apps are paying players real cash in 2026, but most payouts are small unless you know which ones are legit and how they work. By the end of this, you'll know 6 word games people are actually using to cash out, how they pay, and what to watch before you spend time on them. The short answer is yes. Word games can pay real money, but they usually pay through tournaments, rewards points, or ad revenue sharing. That means skill matters, but so does time. First, there's Scrabble Go. It's still one of the biggest names. The app itself doesn't pay directly, but players use skill-based tournament platforms tied to it in some regions. That's where the cash comes in. If you're good at fast word building, this one gives you a real edge. Second is Words with Friends 2, UI. Same setup. The app doesn't hand you money, but tournament apps and competitive ladders around it create payout opportunities. The big advantage here is the player base. More opponents means more chances to win. Third is Word Collecting. This one works differently. You earn coins inside the app, and sometimes convert rewards through gift card offers or promo events. It's slower, but easier for casual players. Now here's where it gets more direct. Rewarded Playing pays users for playing word games and hitting milestones. You rack up points, then cash out through PayPal or gift cards. The money isn't huge, but the process is simple. Install, play, hit targets, withdraw. Mist Playing works almost the same way on Android. It tracks playtime and engagement. Word games are one of its biggest categories. The longer you play, the more units you earn, which turn into rewards. Then there's LAE, Eggswag, Bucks Live. It's more quiz-heavy than pure wordplay, but word-based trivia rounds can pay fast. Win enough rounds and you can cash out through PayPal. Here's the important part. Avoid apps asking for large deposits. Real paying word games usually make money through ads, sponsors, or tournament fees, not giant upfront costs. So the quick breakdown. For skill, go with Scrabble Go or Words with Friends 2. For passive rewards, use Rewarded Play or Misplay. For lighter casual play, try Word Collect or Swagbucks Live. Your next step is simple. Pick one app, test it for a week, and track how long it takes to reach your first payout. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more legit money app breakdowns.